guys, it's Brooke from the Vintage Gardener. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm out in the backyard, which I usually don't use that much, but I think it's a little bit quieter. You can probably hear the lawnmower that's across the street, but who doesn't like the sounds of the lawnmower, right? So today is Labor Day weekend, and I've taken today, which is Friday, off. So I'm going to be doing a lot of work out in the garden. But I wanted to show you the bulbs and tubers I got for next year. So I went to Lowe's. The Lowe's near me has had a lot of bearded irises varieties, and they usually don't have quite this many. And so I went a little crazy because you guys know I'm doing a color wheel theme in my garden. So for the blue section, I got one of these. This is going to be one section of the blue section. And this is called Presby's Crown Jewel. It's supposed to be blue and white. The pictures I've seen online indicate that it's a little bit more purple, but I'm sure a lot of that has to do with soil chemistry. So that's going to go in one side of the blue section. Probably the section that's got the sky blue delphiniums, since that is more of a blue. And then I still haven't finished buying because they have more colors that I definitely want to get. So then I have Raptor Red. So this is going to go in one of the red sections. And then the other one is called Redneck Girl. Now this one has a little bit more like purple. It's more of a burgundy. But you know, it's fine. It's going to look great. So right now, those are the three colors that I have. They do have a pink mix. I'm going to get probably 4 bags of that to go in the pink section. They don't have any orange, so I'll have to order that online, probably from Terracea Farms. They do have some yellow, and so I'm going to go back and get some yellow. And then in terms of the green section, I'm probably just going to do like Walmart actually has just a basic pink one that I'm probably going to do in the one green section, and then I'll do white for the other green section. In the purple section, they have many varieties of purple. And then I do need some additional white ones for the white section. So overall, I think it's going to look great. I love bearded irises. These will spread. Let's see, they usually get about 34 to 38 inches tall. To be quite honest, I've seen them usually get 4 feet tall. And right now in my garden, everything seems to be getting a lot bigger than anything the tag says. So I'm going to book on the fact that these are probably going to be like between 4 to 5 feet tall. They do need like full sun. You plant them about like 12 to 24 inches, and you plant them, like when you plant them, I'll show you. See this thing right here? I only plant it up to here. So you want this part sticking above the ground. That's how deeply I plant it. So yeah, you don't want to bury it. You just leave like this much of it sticking out of the ground. You plant them like 24 inches apart, and they're really cold hardy because they goes down to -40, and I don't even remember what zone that is. It's much farther north. They bloom late spring to early summer. You divide them. I'm trying to think. I think from what I remember, bearded irises are one of those things that you start dividing between years 5 to 7. Now, this right here is kind of like the mother plant. It'll send off additional forms, and you'll kind of know when it's time to divide it because this is usually will end up being the center of the plant, and this part will kind of like die, like the center of the plant dies. When that part dies, you know it's time to divide your plants, to divide the rhizome. So yeah, don't bury it too deeply. They say 4 to 6 inches, but like I said, my rule of thumb is you want to leave this little stalk above the ground. So aside from that, let's see, I've got chrysanthemums to get in the ground. I've got 80 of those bad boys. I'll get my microphone to do a little bit more talking up there. I'm just going to try to get as much stuff in the ground. I'm going to get some mulching done. I have some vegetables that I'm going to put in. So this is really going to be like a 4-day, like hardcore working week. And so I'm pretty much just going to try to bang out the rest of my garden projects and then chill. Which we all know this is never going to happen, but I'm going to try. So anyway, guys, let me get my microphone and let's go see all the mums I've got.